Hey guys, welcome back to the Raymore Reviews channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. We're back in Clarendon, back in Maypen. So we're doing a drive from Mineral Heights. That's where we're leaving now. And we're driving down to HAYES, down to JAMALCO, which is a bauxite company, Jamaica aluminum company. That's where we'll end this drive for today. So if you're new to the channel, first of all, let's get that out of the way. So just pause the video or just click that subscribe button right now. Just turn it from red to gray so you can be a part of the Raymore Reviews channel. Turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do an upload, you'll be notified. Who knows, probably I'm coming your area soon if you're living in Jamaica, so you don't want to miss whether that driving video or walking video or whatever it may be. So again, remember to like the video, remember to leave a comment, and remember to share as well so more persons can see the beauty of Jamaica and some of the great things that are happening in Jamaica. So we just passed the All Great House that was on the right. The quality of the road is very good now. Years ago this road was very bad, but it's now quite smooth, quite well maintained. I think what JAMALCO did was to go into arrangement with the government to fix the road, maintain the road, and that allowed them to pay less tax as well. So the entire stretch from Mineral Heights down to HAYES, down to JAMALCO is a good quality road. So it's a driving video, so thanks for joining, thanks for watching this video, thanks for clicking on it, and just stay tuned while we take a drive on this lovely sunny morning. So we just passed the New Bowens. That's one of the community down this side. And again guys, if you want to support the channel in a monetary way, we have PayPal and other banking info where you can donate to the channel. Eventually want to get a drone for the channel to show you guys some different type of videos, because we do the driving videos, the reviews, the new construction updates, the hotel reviews. So I want to get some drone videos in as well. Alright, so on the left was the JAMALCO Sports Club. They have gym over there. They have a big field as well where sporting activities can keep, and also you know, different activities, community events, parties, stuff like that. So we're outside of JAMALCO. It's just right around the corner. It's one of the few bauxite companies that are still in operation. Some are shut down. And you know, industries such as this are industries we don't want to lose in terms of the amount of employment that it brings, the amount of foreign exchange, and you know, these type of industries are getting less and less, and that's something that we all have to look into, because we can't depend on BPOs only, we can't depend on call centers only. We need the manufacturing industries, the bauxite industries, the you know, other industries that make stuff, you know, probably an assembly line for vehicles. So those are some of the sustainable industries we need. Agriculture is declining. Tourism is susceptible to things like COVID-19. So we really have to get to the books as well. So we're outside of JAMALCO. That's on the left. It's a very huge property. It's a bauxite company. It's their alumina refining plant. So they extract the bauxite from up in the hills and they bring over here. I'm not gonna go on the compound. I would need some invitation for that. But I've been over there multiple times. So it's a very big property. A huge process to convert the bauxite into alumina. So this is JAMALCO. If any of you guys ever worked over here before, because I know it's one of those well-established companies in Jamaica. So if any of you guys ever worked over here, is working over here, you know, definitely let us know in the comment section, or even share your experience. Let's know which department you probably worked in before. You know, probably it's precipitation, clarification, or you know, whichever department you worked in. Share, you know, leave a comment. So this is JAMALCO, and again it's a drive from Mineral Lights to HAYES, with a quick, you know, glimpse of the JAMALCO processing plant. I think they're also building they're in partnership with JPS to build another facility over there. I think it's a electricity generating plant using LNG. So I think that is something that they're working on in terms of partnering with JPS to create electricity over there as well. So a lot of big equipment on the road, so you have to be careful when you're also driving down this side. I know in past years residents, you know, complain about the bauxite dust and stuff like that, but JAMALCO as a company just have to ensure that they're doing due diligence in ensuring that they're environmentally friendly and they're not polluting the atmosphere as well. Alright guys, so I'll continue into the HAYES community, and again thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching, and definitely leave a comment guys. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. So let's head into the HAYES community where we'll close off the video. So we have the Veer Technical High School on the right. If any of you guys ever attended Veer or is a past student of Veer, let's know in the comment section. So on the right, Veer Technical, that's the yellow and green wall. It's a very good technical school. They have created some sporting legends as well. For example, one of the main one was Merlin Ati, and then this is the Newtown / Savannah community in Hayes. So we'll end the video basically here. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to leave a comment.